Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Looks by Lottie, and welcome back to my channel. I stuck it out and now we are on video number 2. So I have a date tonight. Just kidding. Wouldn't it be nice? We're gonna pretend like I'm going on a date tonight and I'm gonna glam up and doll up just because I've got nothing better to do. It's a Wednesday. My bangs are not staying. Look at that swoop. Whoop. Anyways, let's dive in. First, we gotta do the most important step. This week's headband has little ears on it, and I love it. So today's look is just gonna be like a simple, like, cut crease kind of deal, nothing fancy pantsy. Next week, I'll be doing a video on how to add pops of color into your typical everyday soft glam looks. So look out for that, folks. But we're gonna pop into the Norvina palette. She is faded, she's well loved. Couldn't live without her, honestly. I'm going to start things off by taking the shade Incense right here, and we are gonna put that right on the crease. Maybe blend it upwards a little bit. Zooming you in. Hey besties. I'm not gonna go all the way in to my inner part of the lid. I just wanna kind of keep things on the outskirts. You're blending her up. I'm going to take the shade Base and we're going to just blend that out softly. Alright, we're going to pop into the shade Volatile and we are going to put that like on the lower part of this crease and then also on the lid. Again, not pulling in all the way onto the lid, just on this outer half. And then we're going to blend these two together. Gonna marry them. Switching gears entirely, we're gonna go into the Morphe James Charles palette. More like James Snarls. Love how there's no shade names here, so I can't tell you what we're doing. I'm gonna take this one. We're just gonna call this one Poop. And we're gonna put her in the very outer corner. We're gonna set it, and then we're gonna blend it. Alright, now we're going to do a little bit of crease cutting. So I like to take the ABH Eye Primer base. I just slap a little bit on that baby, and I will detail you how I like to cut my crease. So I'm going to go ahead, put her down, then slide it out about halfway down the lid. Then I look up, and you see how we have that line there? We're actually going to go over it because I have hooded eyes, baby! We're gonna go ahead and kind of carve out our own, make it your own height, choose your own adventure. This is why I didn't blend all the way in on the other side. Sometimes when I blend shadow in over on this half, I feel like it kind of closes the eye off. And we really want this cut crease to open up our eyes. Like your cloak. No, like open the eye up and make it seem like it's bigger than it actually is. And then I like to blend it in because I don't like harsh lines, and sometimes I might do this with my finger. I'm also going to go back in with the shade we used on the lid, Volatile, and just blend that out to make it even smoother. You think this looks good now? Well, you ain't seen nothing yet, sweetheart. So now we're going to take this shade right here. We're going to put that on the lid that we just cut. This is somehow not exactly turning out perfect, but you know, if you're going on a date with a man, he's not going to be able to tell the difference. He's not going to know because he's stupid. I'm going to do my liner and lashes off camera because I don't feel like doing them on camera right now. BRB. Yay. What we're going to do next is that we're going to take a rag. We're going to take a makeup wipe, we're going to take a rag, we're going to do whatever, and we're going to go ahead and kind of just like give ourselves a little angled wipe so that everything kind of pushes back and stays very snatched. With our eyes done, let's go ahead and get to the face. I have my Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Photo Finish Primer. I don't really think I have a lot of oil. I just picked this up as a free sample because it was free. You know we gotta do it. You know we gotta do what we gotta do with the rare beauty. You love her a lot. Last week we used the the Juno and Co sponge. This week we're going to use a sponge that was sent to me a little while ago. It's from Stands Out Beauty. It does need to be washed, I know. But I like this because it's soft enough to where you don't have to wet it and you still get good coverage. I applied to be in their affiliate program, but I haven't completed everything yet that I need to do. But I might have a code for you guys for this soon, and that's very exciting. Let's go into concealer. Rare Beauty, of course. You guys all saw me do this last week, so I'm not gonna like completely break it down for you. I can't remember if I mentioned this last week, but this is the Neon MUA X Midas Cosmetics Dawn Face Palette. They have 4 face palettes all together for all different sorts of skin tones. These are the shades for the lightest one, which is what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be using the contour shade right now, and then I'm going to be using the bronzer shade a little bit later. And I'll either apply this contour product with my fingers or my brush. Today, I'm just really feeling the brush vibes. It's a little intense, but sometimes I'm an intense lady, you know? Want to be intense and intentional with whatever dude I'm seeing at the moment, which is... Okay, let's blend everything together. Using some more Rare Beauty, this is the Liquid Blush in shade Bliss. 3 dots. 3 dots. And that's it. What I don't want to do right now is completely bake my entire face, so I'm just going to take the Maybelline Fit Me translucent pressed setting powder. Try saying that 5 times fast. I know I can't, you probably can. We're just setting the face. I don't feel like doing my brows, so I'm just gonna brush them and put them into place. By the power of microblading, they still look done. Ever so quickly, we are going to go back into the... What? What do you need? Hold on, everybody. Jacob. You need Mama to give you a little bit of love. Just a little bit. Say hi to the world. Everybody's looking at you. What is your next move? If I had black cat ears, it would be 20 right now. Alright, are you done whining? Alright, be safe. Love that cat, even though he's annoying. He's mine. Actually got him buy one, get one free. Anyways, we're gonna mix the shades Volatile and Incense from the Norvina palette. We're gonna pop that on the lower lash line. Similarly to last week. Like last week. We're not trying to make it like super big and bodacious. We're just trying to get it right on the lash line. Sorry, so I use my phone to film because I don't have a camera. I'm a teacher and I don't get paid money like that. And a name popped up and I thought I knew the name of a guy that I had seen for like almost a year pop up in like my Hinge notifications. And I was like, we got rid of you a long time ago. Actually, you got rid of me, but I digress. Let's go into the powders. So, bronzer shade from Midas Cosmetics X Neon MUA face palette. Bronzy, bronzy, bronze. A little bit on the nose because I'm not very good at doing the nose. On the chin. So there's no double chins where we're going. Lunar Beauty palette. We're gonna take the shade Pink Moon, just Pink Moon. When we go on our date, we don't want to blind our date because, you know, we might scare him a little bit. Kind of like a deer in the headlights moment. So we're gonna use Champagne Pop. I don't know where my highlighter brush is, so I'm just gonna use my finger. But you know what? Finger works just as good as long as you know how to blend it out. See, like if you don't wet your face, this is a non-blinding highlighter. Just a little, oh my god, I look so skinny! Wow, maybe I should go on a date tonight. time for this queen. So we're gonna use a Kylie Jenner lip kit in shade Kylie. I know that these used to get a lot of flack, but honestly, the formula has changed. It's pretty good. It is expensive though. Oh wait, what am I doing with this? Gotta line it first. Now it's lipstick time. Yeah! Now it looks like I have injections. And to top it all off, usually, you know, I wouldn't wear a gloss on a date, but since I'm not actually going on a date, I'm gonna use Gloss Bomb Cream in Fenty Glow. You know what? I look so good right now. I'm gonna go ahead and change into a cute outfit. I'm gonna pretend like I'm going on a date. Give me 1 second. Look at this. A moment of vision. Any man would be lucky to go on a date with me, honestly, and they know it. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Super simple glam, but you know, we all need to go back to basics sometimes. Let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. If you don't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are doing well and that you are staying safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.